Calling multiple iterators on xrange objects. Is the same as. The same is true for Python 3, but with list zip and range.
There is a difference between an iterable and an iterator. You can use iterx to build an iterator for any given iterable x. An iterator encapsulates the state of an iteration, while an iterable is something you can create a new iterator from. xrange is an iterable, but not an iterator. You can create multiple iterators for a single xrange object, and each of it has its own position. The zip function implicitly calls iter on each of its arguments. For zip, xrange 5, 2, this will create two iterators for the same xrange objects, each with its own iteration state. For zip, iter xrange 5, 2, you are already passing in the same iterator twice. Calling iter on an iterator simply returns the iterator itself, so that you end up with only a single iterator in this case.
If you want to see more, please subscribe.